Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove margin from text box in Microsoft Publisher 2016. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a publisher document and take a text box. Now we can see here this text box have a margin. Now we want to remove this margin, click the text box. Then go to the text box menu, then click the margin drop down menu. Now we want to remove this margin, click none option. Then we can see we remove the margin of this text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.